Ready to transform your outdoor space? Whether it's a small balcony or a sprawling backyard, let's dive in and hear what tips landscape design expert Peter has to share.
Hi, I'm Pete Bachak, founder and director of Osmosis Gardens. For a shady balcony, my top four would have to be alocasia, alpinia, aspidistra, and tenanthus. They have varying levels of water requirements and also tolerant to missing a bit of water from time to time. Alocasia is nice, big, large, elephant ears, got a lot of form. Alpinia, which is ginger, is also very nice and has some flowers. And they have a tuberous root that will store a bit of water, so they're a bit resistant to if you forget. Aspidistra, that's cast iron plant, tough as old nails. It's called cast iron plant for a reason. They're fantastic. And then the tenanthus from Brazil, and they have amazing form. I personally like the green variety. They also come in a purple with silver stripe. I think it's purple underneath and silver stripe on top. And they're all fantastic as a group, as a composition, they work unreal.
So, key takeaways from what Peter had to share. These plants work well as a standalone piece, but work better as a layered composition. They have varying levels of water requirements, making some easier to take care of than others. Opt for what works best for you. Ginger and cast iron plants would work well for you if you're going for a low maintenance option. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more tips to transform your outdoor space. And don't stop there. Check out our suggested videos for more inspiration.